Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create for free a phone wallpaper in Canva. First thing you want to do, you want to come over and log in, create your account, and when you at your feed you want to scroll from this section. You might try as well. You want to find this phone wallpaper setting. So as usual guys, we're going through the filters first, so we're going to make our work much easier. So first we're gonna drop down the style function and we're going to create and choose the creative mode on our theme. So when you're at creative, now the next section we are going to filter as well will essentially be topics, right? So this is going to be your phone wallpaper, so this is something you're going to see every single day. So I presume you most likely want to be interested in something cool. Let's see, Earth and space. And unfortunately we don't have much choices over here, so we can clear this section and we're gonna move to the next one, which is the price. Let's filter by the free functions. There isn't any free function, so I'm going to show you guys how to create something from scratch. And let's pick something like this. So for example, over here guys, every element over here is available to be edited, to be replaced, to change, and you can simply copy your pictures and just come over here and paste it by simply holding it on it, and then you have an option to paste. As you can see over here, copy, paste. You can select multiple images with this function over here. You can simply click on this and then start clicking on the multiple images. This is how easy it is guys. So essentially, if I want to, change the overall look of it, I can simply go over here and simply change it. If you want to have two separate screens or three separate screens on your actual wallpaper by simply swiping on the side, you can do that by simply clicking on it and clicking on the plus sign next to it by creating a second window. This is of course something that some of you might be interested. But don't forget that at the end of the day, this is simply just a regular editing process, nothing special. If you come over here, you can essentially change the contrast of the images that you're uploading, so you can make it look more vintage, right? On every image might be different vibe, might be different season. As you can see, we can try to make things to make sense, the things that are one above another, right? So everything on the site will simply kind of match with the overall vibe. You see how now we're having a very different vibe. We're having like a more summery, more travel, more leisure. Wow, the first one was kind of professional, I would say, more on the casual working side. So this is how you essentially could create your own wallpaper by working from scratch, or simply you can utilize. Unfortunately, as we saw, there isn't a free template that you can use right away from Canva, but you can create your own for yourself. And when you're done, all you gotta do is to come on the upper right, click on the arrow and click download. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.